Hey everyone, a quick unboxing, but first I'm wearing the Pagani Design Tudor Black Bay 36 Homage with the Tiffany blue dial. The review should be coming out within a week or so make sure to subscribe for that. But here, today we are unboxing a Thorn Watch. It's homage to the vintage Tuxedo dials from Omega and JLC, and from what I've seen online, I think it's phenomenal. But let's take a closer look here. I mean, the loom, I'll post up a loom shot. It's been pretty good. So, where there's a will, there is a way. A little rose on the back. But this watch was only $46. And the dimensions, from what I've seen, or from the spec sheet, 37.8 millimeter case, 9.8 millimeter thickness. Running seconds at 6 o'clock here. Let's put it on the wrist real quick. And there it is on the wrist. I think it fits my 6.7 inch wrist perfectly. Obviously, the strap is pretty cheap, but it is a $46 watch. So, you know, the comparables for this are Timex. But I think that Tuxedo dial is really nice. I think this is going to be a pretty positive review because I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Anyway, I still have 3 more watches left from this AliExpress haul. Make sure to subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.